In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Kashflow account. Kashflow is a versatile cloud-based accounting software that's HMRC recognized, making it an excellent choice for small businesses and freelancers looking to keep their financial records neat and in compliance with Making Tax Digital standards. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Kashflow website. You can do this by typing in the URL, kashflow.com, into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the site loads, look for the option that says try it for free. This is a great opportunity to explore Kashflow's features without any commitment. After you've clicked the try it for free button, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll see another option labeled Iris Kashflow Accounting. Click on that, and it will bring you to a section that highlights the benefits of joining the wide array of subscribers who use Kashflow to streamline their business processes. One of the best parts about this trial is that you don't need to enter any credit card details. Kashflow understands the importance of a hassle-free trial experience, so you won't have to worry about unexpected charges. Next, as you scroll down, you'll notice the cloud-based nature of the software, which means that you can access your financial data from anywhere at any time. This is definitely a significant advantage for business owners who are constantly on the go. To create your account, start by filling out the details on the registration form. You will need to provide basic information such as your name, your business name, and your preferred contact email. Make sure to check all the necessary fields carefully to ensure a smooth setup. Before you continue, it's essential to review and check the box confirming that you agree to the terms and conditions. This is standard practice for online accounts and helps protect both you and the service provider. Now you're almost at the finish line. Click on the Get Started button, which will finalize your registration and grant you access to explore what Kashflow has to offer. For accountants considering Kashflow, there's also Kashflow Connect, which allows you to manage your clients in one centralized location. A key feature of Kashflow Connect is the ability to apply your company branding to your client's software, thus providing a personalized experience. This step-by-step guide should have you well on your way to signing up for a Kashflow account and starting to enjoy all the organizational advantages it provides. Don't hesitate to explore the various features and reports available to tailor the experience to suit your business needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, the Kashflow support team is always ready to help. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy bookkeeping!